Technology has revolutionized and improved efficiency while increasing productivity and cost-effectiveness in the logistics and supply chain management industry. Drones are now being used for transporting small packages over short distance, to reach inaccessible remote areas, to deliver medical supplies and emergency aid to disaster areas. Automation. Automated system eliminates human errors. Manage inventory, track shipment and route optimization. Artificial intelligence. Can analyze large amount of data. Forecast demand trends. Improve inventory management. As technology continues to evolve, we can predict further advancement of growth and success in the logistics and supply chain management industry. Visit our website eastbridgecollege.com to know more about diploma and PG diploma programs in logistics and supply chain management. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.